Ira Epstein with Good Morning Flash Update. And this update is for Monday, the 18th of March, 2024, 8:15 a.m. Central Time. Well, the NASDAQ getting a good bump this morning. Word that Tesla wants to raise some car prices. Also word that maybe Alphabet and Apple have something going where something's going to be able to be powered within Apple by Alphabet. Little joining there. Didn't hurt the market. We saw some better news out of China, that we're seeing some growth in February that the market hadn't been expected. That's a positive. You're getting a bid in the energy markets, and gasoline continues to go up. I'm continuing to believe this is a $3 market. So I'd be paying close attention. A nice bounce finally in the nat gas. I had been telling clients to be out of their short positions in there. Trying to trade bonds and notes, let's understand what this week's about. You've got the Reserve Bank of Australia. You've got the Bank of Japan. You've got the Federal Reserve, and you have the Bank of England. So all this going in. Now, it appears from everything I'm seeing that what we're watching in America is, do we move back from 3 rate cuts to 2? And how will the market respond that way? I think the market's already building that in, but that is what I'm looking for the dot plots to show, that instead of 3 cuts, somewhere along the second half of the year, the first one comes in, a pause, then the second one comes into the market. And so far, if that's the case and the market's up, it's going to be considered a positive by the marketplace. Could it still be 3? Of course it could be. I'm giving my guess. In the foreign currency market, the dollar's fairly stable. As we're sitting here with the mixed bag in a number of the different currencies, yen is down another 9, and the bets there are centering around how gradual do they move away from yield curve controls and go back to that first move where we're no longer negative interest rates. That's how I'm reading that. When you look at the news we're going to get today, it's the National Association of Home Builders at 9. That's not a market maker in a big way. In China, you can see that industrial output went up 0.7 on the year. They expected it 0.5, and for the month, it's positive. Now, another thing that's going on is China is now picking up the slack of oil, so-called oil, that India doesn't want. And the word is that they are aggressive in the market, picking it up. Whether they'll keep it for themselves or resell it on the open marketplace is a question, but some of that Russian oil is getting picked up. As you know, to no one's surprise, President Putin has won another 5th term, so another 6 years of him we'll have to deal with. And of course, he looks at this as a mandate by the people to go in and crush Ukraine. So we'll have to deal with that. We will see if we can get any monies getting along here. We've got more parts. Remember, we're not through with our budget. How far are they getting with this? Are we going to run into another problem? So you've got a full week of Congress, you've got a full week of events and money markets, and you've got to take it easy with them. With that, I'm Ira Epstein. I'll catch up with you at the end of the day. You have a great trading day.